Malcolm Godwin with Chattanooga Home Inspector, my good friend Jeremy Price with JB Millworks. Real quick, we're answering a question that everybody has, how to fix a door that's not closing properly.
Oh man, that's a good one there, Malcolm. Thanks for having me. Hey, real quickly, you can adjust this threshold cap. You can raise and lower that. By tightening it clockwise, you lower the threshold down. By loosening it up counterclockwise, you raise the threshold up. So all that'll be determined by the gap between the door and the threshold cap itself as to whether you need to go up or down. Hinges. Many times the door may not be set perfectly true. The top may be leaning in, the bottom may be popped out. You can adjust some of that by pulling the hinges in and out. Of course, that's going to be a little bit more difficult, if you will, but you can adjust that in the hinges. Last but not least, you've got the strike of the deadbolt and the strike of the doorknob itself. Sometimes when you close the doorknob may catch, but the deadbolt doesn't. Therefore, you've got to move this strike plate out. Unfortunately, when you do so, you will have to chisel out just a little more meat out of the wood, and there's probably going to be an area that you have to patch. So that's going to take a little more time, but it will allow that deadbolt and that strike of the interior lock to line up. Last but not least, if you will, make sure your door is nailed and screwed off properly. Sometimes you may have to take the hinge out, run some screws behind the hinge to secure the jamb itself to the subframing. Once it's secured, you should be able to make those adjustments.
And make sure that the doorknob itself is always tight.
Absolutely. There's some screws on the interior, you definitely want to keep those tight.
Cool. Well, thank you very much,
Absolutely.
Jeremy. I appreciate you. Thank you guys for watching. Please follow our websites below for more information on either of us. And please subscribe to our YouTube channel so you can get more tips from the pros.